When I see the video where they just dey share, they go about say na Davido Pikin. Mona still suffering na. Wale ko, wale gbere ivo. Mona suffering na. Why una dey be like? Why una dey do like that? We never know wetin dey go on. We never know. We never know wetin dey go on. We never hear from any corner. Una see that video where they just carry up at that. I mean to share this video. Me I tell you, wanna see where they for pick the video. Una see am for here. Now here they for pick that video where they carry they go say na Davido Pikin. Okay? Mona suffer. All these people we never hear wetin they go on. They never tell us wetin they go on. We just they carry. Why be say if something reach our hand, we go carry in a way. E no good now. We dey talk about an innocent child. We don't even know whether wetin we dey hear whether na true. We go carry am small, we go rest. Share the video, my people. We go carry am small, we go rest. But no, we just dey carry the right RIP. This one, that one, na so the other one talk, na so the other one not talk. That video where they just dey carry am, wanna see where they for Pikin. I don't know who carried the video. I don't know who pick am from here. They carry am for Instagram. Okay? About that picture, that video where they just carry, they go say, hey, Mona see Davido Pikin, or Mona see Davido Pikin. What did they do now? Why not they do like that? See where they for carry the video. See the video for here. See am. See am. Now here they for carry the video. Okay? Una see am? Say na here they for carry am, they just they spread down, they go. I don't understand wetin they go on. Una see where they for pick the video. I need to share the video, my people. Una see where they for pick am. If really say una no be Dundee, those people where just they share, they go, they talk. Una no see say now you both date for them. Wetin happen to Davido not be in Nigeria for happen. Because una know the reason. Una no want sit down on and watch. Now this video they just they spread, they go, my people. Una see and say na exactly the video. When I see, I was like, oh my God, what it be all this? This video na Instagram, this video day. See now the video where they just they carry up and down, they spread down, they go. Mona pray for the family. We never hear anything where they talk about, say, see what they go on, see what not they go on. All waiting we just hear. That on Monday, we still the carry us today na Friday. This money, na small. Small, see the Pikin where they carry up and down, they carry and they go. Now here they for Pikin, una see am. I believe say most people also don't go show people say that one where they carry up and down say na fake. Now here, una carry the video, una say na Davido Pikin. Una don't hear for the family. We never hear for the family. We never hear for the mother. We never hear for the father. Now here una come pick am. Just because of say this one now it resemble Davido Pikin small. They just carry. They carry this one where be say you see am. They just carry. They say na this one. What it be all this? Mona suffering for money oh. Na true say social media money dey, but mona suffering. People dey where be say they in pain now. I don't understand though, the way some people say they behave. When I not watch video, say this video not be Nigeria video, say na abroad. Before now carry room on they carry, they go, they spread down, they go. Mona pray for those family, mona pray for them. Anything whether they pass through now, may Baba God may go help them out. We don't know anything, waiting they go on. If it be said the Pikin they come out, we never come out, we don't know. May we pray for them, may for come out. As far as say the papa not come out, the mama, even the family of Davido, they never even talk anything. Now here, they pick video, they just they carry and they go. And those big bloggers where be said then they know they I don't understand. More than no vessel. Now some they talk my own. This time around, not be anything where you just see now, just they carry, they go. May we they pray for them, say, may everything they okay with that child. We don't know anything. Now just small thing, we just hear. Now see where they for carrying. Now here, now Instagram they for take the video. They just they spread down, they go. e no good though. May we dey suffer, they carry something, may we go see they live and say, okay, this thing we are not aware. We not just know 100%, even 80%, we don't know. Now the small one where we just know, we just they carry on, we they spread down. When I see where they for come pick video. Now here they just come, they pick one, they just carry they go. Mona suffer oh, we all still get child oh, we all still get pikin oh, because that waiting that they pass through now. Those one will never pass through that, you know, no. Pray for them. Only that one is enough. Just pray for them. Say, waiting that they pass through now, you don't know. We don't know anything. All because of say we want make money, we go carry fake rumor. We go they carry and they go, they draw up and down. This one say resemble the Pikin one and they share they go. If una not be Dundee, this one not be Oyibo, na they push and so. It say resemble. Just because of say resemble us more, una just they carry they go. Mona suffering, my people, Mona suffering. Use your sense when it comes to something like this. This one is something where they sensibly where you get the way where you take talk put the way where you take spread down, then you come up for them. Now this one and they spread they go. Mona stop her. Mona stop. Una not see say now Igbo hand there for them. Una spread everything. I beg my brothers and sisters. Now this one, now this short one. Now say me I just break on because as I see, I was like, wait till they go on because even me, I not gonna even they talk for the matter again because I not gonna understand again. You're here for this one, go say they are alive. You're here for the other one, say not they again. So me, I not gonna even believe anything. Wait till I just believe, Baba God. If now true say the Pikin there for coma, I beg make the Pikin come for coma because if they happen sometimes say person go there for coma. You go take months, you go take 2 months, 3 months, even a year, 6 months, it day like that before they will decide what they want to do, or before you go wake up. We just they carry, they go, they talk what we don't know. I beg my people, this morning, okay? When I buy my people, I just show now this one because when I see them for Instagram, say now this kind of video they still they show they go. When you concern this small innocent child now where be say you know where with a Davido Pikin because una see say resemble small, una want make money, una they carry up and down. It is where I pray for God may go wake that Pikin. May go wake am according to wetin with the year say na so e be, na so e dey for coma, or maybe we don't know anything. Okay, this one na the video, my people. Mona help me share this video make dem see and say wetin all those people just dey share dey go na fake, no be wetin be real. See the Pikin wey e dey there, okay? No be Nigeria. I believe say this one na America na dem for do this video. If una dey carry something, mona still dey look people where they there, where they the background. Una bye my people. One love. Una bye. Pray. Mona, may we pray for them. Anyhow, may we pray for them. Only that one they need. They don't need another thing.